Hello. For this problem, we're conducting a study to see if the mean doctor's salary in thousands of dollars is significantly more than 87. A random sample of 25 salaries. Test the claim at 5%. So we're testing that it's significantly more than. The null hypothesis, and this was average, so the null hypothesis averages mean. It would either be the mean or be P for proportion. Null hypothesis is always equal to. They're using less than or equal to also because we're testing greater than. But in most books it would say just equal to. And then it said significantly more than 87, and that's why we have the 87. Now the alternative is what we're testing. We're testing the mean is greater than the 87. Now to find the test statistic and the critical value, you want to use the hypothesis testing mean. Our sample size was 25. Population mean comes from the hypothesis, which was 87. Now, sample mean and standard deviation wasn't given to us. They gave us the data. Therefore, you have to find it. Using EXO, you put an equal sign, and instead of mean, it's average, another word for mean. Double click it, and then highlight your data. I've already typed the data in that was given here. So found my mean. You can also do that for standard deviation, equals ST for standard deviation. There's a standard deviation P if it's population, and S for sample. And this is a sample. Again, highlight your data. Hit enter. And our alpha was level of significance 0.05. So it's 0.05. Here's our test statistic. The 2.944 and the critical value greater than is a right test. So right-tailed, our critical value 1.7108. Because it's right tail, it's the right value. If it was less than, it would be the left value here. But it's right. And then the number, we want the 1.71. I guess that's the closest we're going to get. 1.71. We reject the null hypothesis. It'll tell you right here. Since we're using the critical value, alternative hypothesis is greater than a certain number for the right tail. And since it's not greater than, we reject. If we reject, there is enough evidence to support the claim that it is significantly more than. That's everything. Most of them will work with the p-value over here. And then it tells you how to test your claim here.